Hi, I'm Louie. I work at Sam Cox Landscape, and I'm also a student at the Master of Urban Horticulture at the University of Melbourne. And so I'm involved in the Year 10 Future Studio at the moment, having just presented a proposal for the green roof which is going on top. The green roof we've proposed is going to be a butterfly habitat. And instead of the usual turfing over the green roof, we've decided to adapt a diverse range of plantings on top, which will provide both host plants as well as nectar plants for our local butterflies. There's a few reasons why it's really important. I think in urban landscapes especially, habitats become more and more fragmented, and so butterflies become really important as pollinators, which can get between these butterflies, maintain gene flow and keep these populations healthy. And so that's one of the key reasons why we're doing the butterfly habitat in the first place. On top of that, it's also out of consideration that the green roof provides a really unique technical affordance in terms of keeping the plants alive up on the roof, because elsewhere plants really important to butterflies like grasses as well as lower shrubs. They are prone to herbivorous predation by rabbits and other invasive species, and on the green roof we don't have that issue, and so in that sense the habitat is protected by virtue of being on the roof. Yeah, completely. So I think that's the other really great point, is that around our school, around the Woodley School, there is actually two really important reserves for butterflies around the area, which are each Langwarrin Flora and Fauna Reserve as well as the Frankston Nature Conservation Reserve. And so both of those reserves have had really hot spots across the whole of Melbourne for butterfly observation and sightings, and having that local faunal diversity, which not everyone is aware of, the project then serves to sort of bring that into the attention of students and staff and everyone in the community.
Plant first and then put that over the top.
No, it's too slow. So this has got to go down first.
Yeah, and then you.
And we're not planting 6-inch. We'll be doing tubes, so you can just kind of open it up, plant.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, there's 2,500 going in.
Yeah.
We don't want to be doing it this way.
No.
But I thought I'll do the actual products that are up there.
Yeah.
In this process.
Yeah.
The theory of this planting is to allow for the wicking bed, Yost's design, to draw water and supply water to the plants all year round. The wicking bed's also able to drain, being a roof structure in a stormwater situation. What we're hoping for is constant supply of water to these plants throughout the year, even in drought periods, to allow the habitat to build. So the planting's a combination of nectar and food plants with habitat and places for the butterflies to lay their eggs, which is the grasses. So we'll trial this now, see how the wicking element of this medium goes, and hopefully it's all in place and we can build it, scale it up for the roof.